So whenever you need to take the implied domain of a rational function where the square root is in the denominator, all you simply need to do is do this one little trick. Now, the implied domain of a rational function is you can't divide by 0, right? And the implied domain for a square root function is you can't take the square root of any negative numbers. So rather than doing both of those restrictions separately, all we simply need to do is say, well, I know 2x has to be greater than or equal to 0. But since my radical is in the denominator, it can't be equal to 0, right? So by just removing the equal to, I now satisfy both restrictions. I can't divide by 0. This is not going to give me values that'll be 0, and it has to be greater than or equal to 0. So therefore, dividing by 2 doesn't change anything. So therefore, I can say x is greater than or equal to 0. Go ahead and draw my domain. 0, 1, negative 1. X is greater than 0 is going to be an open circle going this direction. So therefore, in using my interval notation, I'll have a 0 to infinity.